Welcome to the production line of our plastic sleeve boxes. The core component, the sleeve sheet, is typically made from honeycomb panels. This panel consists of two thin surface layers sandwiching a honeycomb core, formed using heat and pressure techniques. First, a rectangular honeycomb board is processed through the edge sealing machine. Here, the edges are tightly compressed together to seal them. Next, the panel moves to the window opening machine. The machine heats and presses the panel to imprint the drop door score lines. Here, the honeycomb sheet is pressed to form foldable creases. Finally, the ends of the honeycomb sheet are connected, forming the fully enclosed walls of the sleeve pack. Please visit our website or contact us for more information about the plastic pallet sleeve box.